So I was sitting here wondering if there's like a market for selling these, I don't know, 3D printed loading coils, 40 meter through 10, 80 through 10. So this one here would, when you wind it, it will cover through 80 with the right radiator. This one here will cover 40 with the right radiator. So, but they take it takes about a day or less to print this one. This one's a lot quicker. But this one also has a printed, if you can see, there's an X inside of it. I pop the end off of here. The only problem with these is like if you're not totally careful and you don't clean these really good, you can twist these off even though they're printed with PETG. This is just kind of a prototype that I've been working on. And with this one here, this is actually still insulated. So, but the way that it works is it just has something that contacts here, and you just clamp it down on that particular winding. So, anyway, I just thought about it because I was like, it'd be kind of cool if I could actually sell these. Like sell a kit, you build your own, I just print all the parts. But, I don't know.